Habatak ranting ya ka jingkular jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress ban pentrai kam da ka wikat hapo ka jala Meghalaya ka Bharatiya Janata Party kalong kadei tang ka jingkular. Habakren sikilat pathai kubor ba Ernest Mori ulong ha ka jingshisha ha ka jala West Bengal kam siam ladan satya ki kam pynroi bat ka songsuk songsang ha ka tei ka jalaru kamdan.
You see, you go through everything. West Bengal is failure, whether in terms of law and order, and it is the most corrupted state. So how come this V card or this B card they implement here? It's just a promise only, a lip service. If she really can provide that development in West Bengal, then she can give example. But we have collected the information and the report, totally is failure. No development in West Bengal. And law order also is very deteriorating. You see, I agree with that. It is not like her statement. We want that double engine government. It means that if we have a government in Meghalaya, BJP and Delhi, then it will benefit for the people of our state. Not like it's West Bengal. West Bengal, you go and see what is happening in West Bengal. They have failed totally. No development in West Bengal. And now we have already discussed that our party from day by day they are getting the strain, and we are going to prepare because there will be a Panchayat election. So you just see in that BJP will win all the seats.